Crochet heart-shaped bralette. Part 4. The straps.
Let's do the strap now. We're going to start from this flower and here, and we will do it just chain as long as you want. Just keep chaining, and then when we get our desired length, we are going to do slip stitch on the way back, so it's a little bit, it will look nicer. I have done 65 chains, and if you want more you can make more. So now on the way back, this is the V shape of the chain, and we're going to work in the back the raised back here. We're just going to do a slip stitch. So this is how nicely it will look. Continue until you reach the flower. Okay, we've just reached the end, so now we can do a slip stitch here. I'll do one more, just to make it nice and secure. This actually will be a single crochet, chain, and then I'll cut. So this is the strap, and I'm going to secure and hide these ends. Actually, I will undo this end one, I don't like it like that. finish here with the chain. We will do the same with this side. Do your desired length, and then we'll do another big strap for both of the side going across the back. I mentioned earlier that I was going to show you how to do the shape of it, so I can just tell you, I haven't done it, but for example, you can measure from the middle, you can measure how long the heart can be, and then you cut the desired shape depending how wide your chest is. So in this case, this is the size. So if you want it, you can make a heart however shape you want it. If you want it more, however you want to do it. So you cut a cardboard, and then you can start placing the little motif on the actual board, but we didn't do it like that. We just put it on, as I showed you, on the surface, and then I mirror it. It was easier to do it this way from the back side, and then start adding. Okay, now we have finished the two ties for around the neck, and now we are going to create a very long one, which will come from these two sides, let's say here and here, and it will go like this around the back. So I've just measured, and we have to do 6 of this length, and then again on the second we just do a chain as long as you want to, and then the second row will be a slip stitch, so we can create this kind of schnur. This is Bulgarian way of saying it. I don't. And then I will show you how we'll do it. We'll just put it through these little holes, and then we'll tighten it at the back. But now you need to start with just simple chains, the desired length. I will meet you at the end. Okay, I've made the long strap, and let's see where we're going to put it. I think I'll put it here. So I will do it this way, so it can go across. So if we do in this way, so we can do this, and then we'll come across. We will do here, and then we'll go across this way. And then we'll do some here. So we'll cross them, so they'll be like that. We'll go through this little heart here. And then we'll come down. Here. Actually, I'll go from here. So this is how the top will look at the back. But again, it depends how wide you are here. You may need to do a little bit longer strap, and then when you tighten them, this will be at the end, at the back. This is our very pretty top. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.